In Igbo land, when they want to prepare for a traditional marriage, they do it in a very special way. They do it in a very traditional way. So today, I want to show you how Igbos prepare for traditional marriage on the day of the event. Now, I'm in the kitchen now, one of the kitchens though. You can see the settings, how they are pounding akpu called fufu, that is cassava. And this is the second kitchen where they are cooking all sort of delicacies for the day. They are making some of it here, and over there they are cooking rice, cooking different things, preparing for the big day of the bride. Because this particular day, the bride does not joke with it at all. So once in a while, the bride walks into the kitchen to supervise what is happening. She keeps on supervising different sections of preparations, both the decorations, both everything. So because it is her big day, she wouldn't want it to be messed up. She would not want the day to be messed up. This is now ofaku. If you know Igbos, if you know Anambra people, especially Nnewi people, you will know ofaku. Ofaku is synonymous with Nnewi people. This is ofaku now, boiling on the fire. And this is now jollof rice. Wow, Nigerian jollof rice is getting done. It must be a great day. It will really be a great day. So what is this one now? This one is okay, semovita, and the house is filled up. See the people, nieces and nephews and in-laws, everybody that have gathered in the house for the big day of the bride. You can see how they are eating in a traditional Igbo settings, you know, eating in group, because Igbos have this culture of eating in group, coming together to do things in unison, communion. You know, they're having a kind of communion. They're coming together to eat in group. All these people now are nephews and nieces of the bride, and you can see the decorator doing her thing, getting everything fixed. Yes, it is the big day of the bride. This is how they do it in Igbo land. Whenever they want to prepare for any traditional marriage of the Igbos, this is how it is being done. You can see one in Nnewi driving the bike that Nnewi is known for, because this place is Nnewi in Anambra State, Nigeria. And now the bride is here. This is the bride being made up. They are fixing her hair at this moment. Her hair is being fixed. So it's gonna be a great day for the bride. It's gonna be a great day for the bride indeed. Just stay tuned in this video and watch how everything went down. It was a great day. I can assure you it was a very amazing day. A very amazing day. Watch till the end. They're going to learn a lot about the Igbo culture, the Igbo tradition, especially when it comes to how they perform their marriage ceremony, how everything is being done. Stay tuned, watch this video and don't go anywhere. So they just finished fixing her hair and she's being made up. They are keeping everything just simple. She doesn't want anything elaborate, just very simple. She's being made up, her face is being made up, and her nails are being fixed. That is what they're doing at the moment now. You can see the time is drawing closer and closer and closer. So they're trying to rush everything to be able to meet up with the time the in-laws will arrive. So that's what's happening here now. So you can see the beautiful bride. They have actually done justice to her. You can see the beautiful bride. So this is eye pencil. They have really done justice to the bride today. So I know that the in-laws, when they see her, they will go nuts. They will go crazy. They will just, you know, grab their wife and just start going home immediately. The bride is indeed beautiful on this day. Yes, she is. Isn't the bride beautiful? At this point, she will now go in, change, and wait for her husband people to come so that they'll go out there and shake it for them. So this is the MC now. I'm praying for everybody, telling them that as they have come here, when they are going, they will go back with happiness, with fulfillment, with joy. That is what he's telling them at the moment. So this is the arrival of the in-laws. So the event will now kick off officially, because you can't start a traditional marriage event without the in-laws being there, because they are the reason why the event is holding. So they have now arrived. So everything will now take off. You can see that the in-laws are many, because in Igbo land, in Igbo culture, one person does not marry a woman. One person doesn't marry a woman. So when you want to come, you are going to come with the in-laws. You're going to come with your omona. Come with all of them. They're going to lead you to go and marry your wife. That's why they say that in Igbo land, no phone adeha no one. So they have arrived now. They're taking their seat now. The event will now kick off officially. Yes.
Nikem. They can do one nagasha. They are not doing the munedi. And so she anya. They can do munedi nagasha. No more, no mother. And so she anya. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget our CDCEO. The managing director of Urbanized Media is here with me. Urbanized Media, much more respect to you, boss. I appreciate your good work.
So in this canopy now is the omona of the bride. You can see the omona. You can see the chief of the community. Chief of the community. He is here. Everyone is here. Their secretary, their chairman. They are all seated here because they have to be here. They are the people that will give out their daughter's hand in marriage. If they are not here, nothing is going to happen. So they are all represented here. So next now, the father of the bride is leading the omona and the many people to come and greet the in-laws. You can see they have to greet them, welcome them, to show them that they are welcomed. Yes, after this now, the mother of the bride will now lead the omada to also come and greet the in-laws and welcome them to their home, to show that they are welcomed, Yes, this is what they are doing at the moment. And here is the mother of the bride leading the omada to come and greet the in-laws. You can see how they are greeting them, welcoming them to their home, showing that they are welcomed. This is what they are doing at the moment, after which they'll enter the next stage of the event. So you can see how the in-laws are smiling to know that they are actually welcomed in this event. So this is actually the first outing. There is something called first outing and second outing in Igbo traditional marriage. So the ashebi of the bride, they have led her out to come and greet her in-laws. You can see the ashebis, you can see them, you can see the bride. This is the first outing. That's what they are on at the moment. After which they will now go back inside, change their outfits, and now come out for the second outing. That second outing is where everything will now continue till the end of the event. So at this moment now, the Omonna, they want to present kola to the in-laws. To give them kola is also a sign of welcome, to show them that they are welcomed. So they have to give them kola in Igbo culture and tradition. That is what is being done now. So this is the father of the bride now. He's praying with kola nut. You know, in Igbo land, in Igbo culture, when you want to pray, you use kola nut and pray. So that was what he just did. He just prayed with kola to open up the event in an official manner. Because when you don't pray with kola nut in an event, it means that the event has not really started. That's in Igbo culture, in Igbo land. So that's what he just did now. So the event continues officially. So this is the Omuada presenting their own kola. You know, they gave out a carton of biscuits. So this is the kola they came with, and they just presented it on the table of Omonna.
Oh my goodness, fresh fruits. Fruits to the fresh. A week one day, mashu herika 1 week. Pizza, pa shawarma. Oh my goodness. Oh, my brother, let me hear me in warm he got more Beyonce. He got more Regina Daniels. He got more roots. He won't want no, if what I get you money when they get advance in the television. They put yes, yeah, was your man at least. When they go to Jehovah, they tell them, but right now,
at this point now, the Imenne people are calculating the drinks the in-laws brought for the Imenne. That is the required drinks for the marriage ceremony to hold in their Imenne. So if after calculating it now it's not complete, they will not go with their child. They have to fulfill all the items, fulfill all the requirements before they go with their girl, before they go with their child. If not, the in-laws are not going anywhere. So that is what they are doing at the moment. They are trying to calculate the drinks to make sure it's complete before everything continues. And now is the second outing of the bride. This is when everything gets hot. Like, they are now getting out there to get to the dancing stage. This is the time everything gets hot. This is the time the bride and the groom get to dance. This is the time the ashebis get to dance. This is the time everybody gets to dance. Like, they are getting to the peak of the event. That is what is happening at the moment. The peak of the event is about to reach now. So you are going to enjoy this moment. You are going to enjoy this moment so much. So now the bride is about to look for her husband and give him this drink to prove that he is her husband. So when that is done, everything is now continued. They will now get to the dancing stage and dance and dance and dance and dance. So now the husband is returning the cup of drink to the father of the bride. That is how it's done in Igbo tradition. So it's now dancing time. They have been confirmed husband and wife, having fulfilled all the requirements needed to be husband and wife. So they are now on stage to dance and dance and dance and have fun. People are going to dance with them. People are going to spray the money, and celebrate with them. After the dancing now, the event will officially end with prayers. The prayers are more like ego fondo, wishing them good by the father and by the nnochie of the bride.
Three, two, one.
So this is the father of the bride now, giving them the final blessings they need before they will start going home, before the groom will go home with his wife. He is trying to pray for them, wish them good, wish them fruitfulness and abundance and blessings in their marriage. So this is the chief of the community, the Obi of the community, giving them the final blessings before they will now start going home, before the groom will now go home with his wife and they will now go and live their life, build their own family.
Asị na ndụ anyị adụ ndụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị ndụ ọnụ ghere ndụ ọnụ kwara kwara wee gasị na ije bịa taa bụ ije mmiri n'ọhịa ije nkụ na dụka ụlọ bịa taa taa bịa kpọrọ nwa dị ada m ifeọma ka ụlọ kpọwere ada taa taa unu lụọ ya bụrụ ụlọ ozu eke ozu onye ozu abụ ozu nkwọ ọmụ nwoke ọmụ nwaanyị ọhọwa ụmụ na-amụ ya n'ọgụ n'ọkwọ nwa alụọ ya wụ ụtarị dị lapara ọnụ n'aka ọ na ibe ike anyị eme kakaka anyị ama jijiji anyị ama ọbịara igbu nwanne m nwaanyị na di ya na ụlọ ọ ya egbu onwe Chineke anyị ada ndị zoro agbụrụ ojoka ata ojoka awụ aka n'elu ọha ọdụka abịara agba ọrụ ọdụka na ada wee na-asị na ndụ anyị adụnụ ife anyị na-eme tata ọ gara n'udo and anyị ejikwa obi ahụ na-ejekwa aka ije nwaanyị ahụ ejecha ha ahụchakwa ha emechi ibe dị na nwaanyị emecha wee na-asị na anyị na ụlọ ya wụ aka eme na otu ọhụrụ wee na-asị na ndụ anyị adịbido tata ga anabachukwu nke abịa ma.
So this is the event coming to an end now. I hope you've been able to learn how the Igbo tribe, the Igbo people, how they perform their own traditional marriage. I hope you have been able to do that. Let me know what you think about the Igbo traditional marriage in the comment section. Thank you and bye.